Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make steampunk goggles for your plushies. This is a fairly quick and easy tutorial and it's really quite simple to do, so hopefully it'll be useful for you if you want to use steampunk goggles on your plushies in the future. This character is my sister's character, Fang. It's her own creation, and so I'm making this plushie for her. This character will also be used for a plushie hair series video. So I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so what I start off to do when making steampunk goggles is take the colour for your lens of the steampunk goggles. This particular character, who is my sister's OC, Fang, has yellow lenses in his steampunk goggles, so I'm just using some yellow felt. You can use like see-through, but then you would need to use a different method for making steampunk goggles that I'm doing here, so you can check out my how to make a Dr. Junkenstein plushie from Overwatch, where I sort of flatter see-through steampunk goggles, but you can use some methods from this video and combine it with that video. So yeah, just cut out 2 circles that sort of measure to the size you want, sort of on the face of your plush. Just keep measuring up against your plush. So once you've got your lenses, just place them down onto some light grey fleece fabric, or you can use silver fabric, whatever fabric you like. You don't even have to do like a silver or grey colour, whatever you like, and just pin them sort of down onto the fabric, space them like however you like. It's pretty much up to you how you want your goggles to look, and then you just need to cut sort of around the circles to make a goggle shape, which is however thick you would like sort of the rim of the goggles to be. So once you've done that, you just need to measure around the edge of the sort of grey part, and then however long that was, you need to cut a rectangular strip of that length, and like quite a good thickness, because you then fold this in half and sew like at the bottom and along the line so that it makes a kind of tube. So once you've done that, you can turn it inside out and stuff it. They remind me of donuts. So what you want to do now, glue down the lenses onto your flat goggle sort of silver piece or grey piece. So once you've glued the lenses down, you then just need to place a little bit of glue around the edge of sort of the silver grey piece and the edge of the lens, and just put it all the way around, and then you can just flatten your circular donut shape straight down onto the flat piece, and this will give it like the 3D look without it being too bulky on the face. The method I did before was far too bulky, so I changed it to this, and this is much nicer. So once they've glued down, just pop the goggles onto the face, position them where you like them just to see how they look on the face, and if you're happy with them, just pin them there. And what I've got is some elastic, and I just got this from a local shop to me. I'm sure you can get it online, it's quite easy to get. It's quite some thin elastic, but you can get thicker if you like. but what you do is just sort of get the strip out and wrap it around from goggle to goggle, if that makes sense, so that you have a piece long enough to fit around the head. And don't hesitate to pull it a bit tighter, because it's elastic. It'll be better if it's tighter so that it stays on the head better, but then just cut out the strip when you're happy with the size of it. So you should have pinned the elastic down to where you would like it, and then what you do, just slot the goggles off the head and then ladder stitch the elastic to the sides of your goggles. So don't worry about it being neat or anything like that, because they will be down onto the face. I'll show you how to do the ladder stitch in my how to make a base plush video, but I wondered if you guys wanted to see a separate video which is purely just showing you the ladder stitch. And if you'd be interested in that, just leave a comment below and I will work on that video for you. But I just pretty much use it for every plushie I ever do. So, and then basically your goggles are done, so just slot them back onto your plushie. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.